So hey guys, this is another video on the road, and then raining time during I took this video. So I remember 3 days, midnight until afternoon. I think 1 o'clock or 2 o'clock p.m. 2 p.m. rain. So then flood everywhere. Okay, maybe the windows here you can't see because not clear enough. And then everywhere flood, Luckily this Toyota Innova is high enough. So I believe many country, even now you read the news, Korea, Seoul, capital also flood. So sometimes Malaysian you cannot complain too much. You see, many country also same. So Malaysian every time complain a lot, but they don't know other country even worse. Okay, so something to learn lah. Don't everything Malaysian just keep complaining, no good. You go to other country, then you will also face the same problem or even worse. And then after you went to so many countries, then you only notice, Malaysia is so good. Okay, so a lot of things, if you never explore before, you don't know. You just sit inside your room, surf internet, comment those rubbish. Okay, you need to come out, see more things, then you will know this world is so different every country. Okay, so this one here you can see clearer lah. You see how deep, how many water on the road. Okay, so something to share for this simple video. Okay, please remember to subscribe and comment below if you have any other question. Thanks for watching.